In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a customer statement in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're in the correct company file before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to locate the customer whose statement you want to print. From there, open the Customer Hub. This is where QuickBooks keeps your customer-related information organized, including contact details, transaction history, and account activity. Inside the Customer Hub, select Customers and Leads. This section helps you browse through your customer list and find the exact profile you need. Next, open the customer whose statement you want to print. Be sure you choose the correct customer record, since the statement will reflect the activity connected to that account. Once you're inside the customer's profile, look for the New Transaction button and click it. This gives you access to the different transaction types you can create for that customer. From the list of options, select Statement. QuickBooks will then open the Statement Setup screen. Here, you'll choose the statement date and any other required options. Take a moment to review these settings carefully, because they determine what information appears on the final statement. Depending on your needs, this may include the statement period or the type of balance details you want to show. Choosing the right options helps ensure the statement is accurate and useful for your customer. After that, click Print. QuickBooks will generate a preview of the customer statement. This preview step is important because it allows you to review the document before sending it to the printer. Look over the statement to confirm that the customer information, dates, balances, and transaction details appear the way you expect. If something doesn't look right, this is the best time to go back and adjust the settings before printing. Once you've reviewed the statement preview and everything looks correct, click Print again to print the customer statement. At this point, your browser or device may open the printer dialog box, where you can choose your printer and confirm the final print settings. If needed, you can also save the statement as a PDF from that screen for your records. And that's it. That's how to print a customer statement in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.